Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Suhas Survase and the today's date is 6 January 2022. Also, our today's topic is collection framework in Java. So, what is collection framework? Basically, collection framework consists of two terms, that is first one is a collection and second one is a frame. What is collection? Collection is a entity or an object which is used to store the multiple data. And what is framework? Framework which represents the libraries which consist of a predefined classes and interfaces in that. So we can say that collection framework is nothing but set of predefined classes and the interfaces which are used to store the multiple data. Basically, the collection framework consists of two parts, that is java.util collection and second one is java.util map. As we know that in a collection we can store the data directly, but in case of map we have to make a pair to store the data inside that. The pair is like a key and value, etc. Let's see the real-time example for the collection. In our childhood, we had a kiddie bank. In a kiddie bank, we store lot of coins. So we can say that a kiddie bank is like a collection. And for the map, the real-time example is that the country with the country code. It is quite difficult to remember the every country code. So we can make a pair of a country with their country code. We can remember the country names. According to that, we can get the country code of that country. This is the real-time example of the map. Now, the collection framework, as we know that it is an API, that is application programming interface, which consists of a predefined classes and the interfaces. What is collection classes? Collection classes are the utility which consist of a static methods. And what is collection interfaces? Collection interfaces are the root interfaces which consist of a collection objects inside that. Now we see the hierarchy of collection framework. The collection framework hierarchy consists of two hierarchies, that is one for collection and second one for the map. First we see the hierarchy for collection. The collection hierarchy consists of three sets. First for the list, second for the set, and last for the queue. In a list, it consists of a array list, linked list, and a vector. The array list and linked list are the classes, and the vector is a legacy class. Now, what is legacy class? Legacy class is a class, or we can say that when in a Java collection frame is not present, then the several classes and the one interface is used to store the several data or objects. When we introduced collection framework in Java, then these several classes and the interfaces are modified and redesigned to support the collection framework, so that the older classes and the interfaces are called as the legacy class. Now next move on the set. The set is also consist of true branches, that is first one for the class and second one for the interfaces. In a class, it consists of a head set and the linked head set. These both are the classes, and in a interfaces it consists of a short set and the free set. After that, in a queue, it consists of a different types of queues and stacks. For more detailed information, see the picture given in that screen. This second picture shows the hierarchy of a map. The hierarchy of a map also consists of several branches. When we combine these both collection and map hierarchies, then we get the collection framework. As we seen that A collection framework consists of a different types of list, that is array list, linked list, etc. So it is a question that when array list is available, then we have introduced the linked list. That is, when the array list be used, it consists of some drawbacks. That is, when we have to get at a specified element, then we have to iterate all the list. So to overcome this drawback, we introduce the linked list. When a linked list also consists of a three types, that is single linked list, double linked list, and after that selected list. For that information, see our previous videos. Now it also consists of a sets and the different types of maps. In a map, it consists of a tree map. The tree map is used to get the values by providing only key. For example, we get an error of a 402 on a display when we search anything, or we get a error of a 500. These errors consist of a number of theories which is provided on the browser. Also, in our modern laptops, the facilities are provided regarding to detect the problems available in laptop. For example, the beep notification is provided. That means, for example, consider when when the laptop is broken down, when it gives a single beep, that means it has the charging problem. If it gives the double beeps, then it shows the battery problem. So according to that notification, we can understand and resolve this problem. This is all about the collection framework in Java. Thank you.